There they go. I'm gonna go try to see if they can get out the chains. And they can go to work. This is my car. I've already cleaned it off once. Well, he's making progress. More than we did this morning. We got out of our street finally. Kinda. This is how much snow we've gotten. See? The guys had to walk to the store to get chains. Chains don't fit. So now they're going to try to take the chains back. That mound right there, that's a bush. That's our snowman. The snow is up to its waist. There we go. There's our roof. This is our walkway. There's my car. And it's still snowing. Only seagulls flying. We're supposed to get anywhere from 6 to 12 inches. I think we've gotten that. And it's still snowing.